Customize the quick keys of your HP ZBook X2 using the HP Create Control Panel. Open HP Create Control Panel from the Start menu. From the tool list, select Functions. Next to Application, select All or All Others to program the quick keys to perform in all applications in Windows. To program the quick keys for a specific application, touch the plus sign. Select from the list of open applications or browse to find the desired program on the computer. On the HP Quick Keys tab, select the mode you want to customize. For each button you want to modify, select the text to display the action menu. Select the category and action that you want to assign to that key. Adding any modifiers or information the quick key needs to perform. Add a descriptive name and then select OK to finalize its settings and begin using your customized quick keys.